I'm here today because I cannot afford another child. I only have enough to take care of me and my daughter.
The only abortion clinic left in northern Louisiana is desperately trying to keep up with demand. It's been shouldering a surge in patients ever since neighboring Texas imposed significant abortion restrictions. At any given moment, hundreds of women are stuck on a waiting list.
Every day we have something hanging over us. That's been going on for years. It's not ever been this bad before.
Kathleen Pittman runs the clinic. She tries to focus on the needs of her patients and staff rather than the looming U.S. Supreme Court decision on abortion.
Everybody asks me, what plans have you made? Should we close? I have made zero plans because it's all I can do to get through day to day.
Louisiana is one of 13 states with so-called trigger laws, which ban abortion if the Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade. A leaked copy of the draft decision shows the court is poised to give decision-making power to state lawmakers. One in Louisiana already proposed prosecuting abortion patients for murder.
The act of abortion ends the life of a human being. The taking of a life is murder, and it is illegal.
This idea has since been abandoned as too extreme, but lawmakers from both parties are united in passing other restrictions.
We're standing together. We're standing together as Democrat women, as Republican women, as black and white women, saying that it's time for this budget to reflect dollars that really support women and their children.
The momentum, excitement, and relief among the anti-abortion advocates has staff at the Shreveport Clinic on edge.
One day I'm okay thinking, there's hope. Then the next day I think, well, we are so screwed.
Pittman invited CBC News into her clinic on a Tuesday, a designated procedure day. The patients on this morning have already gone through a consultation and the state-required 72-hour waiting period. The women we spoke with all agreed to share their thoughts, as long as we agreed to protect their identities.
I would love to keep the baby, but I'm already going through enough. I'm still in school and I'm living with my mom, so it just is not the right time.
This woman is in her early 20s and has a daughter. She's training to be a nurse and works a retail job.
How do you think your life would be different if you weren't able to have this procedure?
It would be totally different. I'd probably have to put off school again, and I'd probably have to work more hours at my job now just to take care of 2 kids. I would be a single mom of 2 kids.
She says she doesn't know what she'd do if this wasn't an option.
Every woman should have that option. If they can't take care of a child or they don't want it for whatever reason, they should have that option to come into a clinic and say, hey, I would like to have a procedure done.
Another woman, also in her early 20s, says getting an abortion was not a hard decision to make.
No, not for me. Probably for someone else, yeah, but I already had plans. I know everybody's plans don't go the way they want it to, but I have my plans, so.
Her plan is to also go to nursing school. She says a child now would drive her into poverty.
Everybody don't got the financials to take care of a kid. A kid is a lot of responsibility. Women should have the right to make their own decisions, what they want to do with their body.
Not everyone booked for a procedure here shares the same position.
I was ashamed because I don't believe in abortion unless you've been raped or other stuff. Sometimes you're going to be thinking about it, but you just got to move on with your life. So, yeah, it's hard.
This woman nearly died because of medical complications while giving birth to her son. She fears another pregnancy will kill her.
I want to watch my son grow up. I got to. Because you never know what would happen. And with that, it just happened out of nowhere. And I was really, really scared. And for the women who can't have kids, I feel sad.
Tears streak her hands. Her personal beliefs are in direct conflict with her choice, all in the hopes of providing a better future for her son.
What do you hope for him in life?
Don't be late me or his dad. Be better, explore the world, have fun. Just be a kid, just have fun.
She says she's going to ask God for forgiveness for her difficult choice. Any day now, the Supreme Court will release its decision, which is expected to dramatically change who gets to make these choices. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Shreveport, Louisiana.